Learn about making money online in this video. Have you dreamed about quitting your regular job and working online? If so, you have come to the right place. There are plenty of people out there who no longer have to punch a time clock. Learn about the ways that you can start making money online. Eventually, you may even be able to quit your regular job. Keep your eyes open for current information about internet scams. While you'll find a lot of opportunities out there for making money online, some opportunities aren't that great. Always do your research and try to find reviews from other users to figure out what is a good opportunity and what isn't. If you write, try writing on sites like InfoBarrel and Squidoo. You can write about whatever you want on these sites and get a portion of the revenue your content generates. They also provide the chance to become an Amazon affiliate, which could bring in more money for you. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. If you are feeling stuck in a rut with your current employment, working online could be the solution for you. You can make money in the privacy of your own home. These ideas are a wonderful place to begin. As you go along, you will surely discover more ways to make money. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.